So today I shall be doing an unboxing or an opening of these Bose sunglasses. So these are different from traditional sunglasses. The fact that they try to replace your earphones and your earbuds or any sort of speakers that one uses. And normally Bose is known for making entertainment sound systems and stuff like that. But this is different because this is something that no one's seen before and not a lot of people are actually working on. So when you open this, you get the sunglasses, of course, and you get a charger. So when it comes to the battery life, the battery of these sunglasses last about a good 2 to 3 days if you use it consistently, and I feel that's really great because not a lot of, even when you look at watches or stuff like that stores music, does not actually last this long. So when the fact that you can charge it in half an hour and get for 2 to 3 days of life is something that's really great. And in addition to that, of course, you get this charger, which you can plug in anywhere with the USB cord. So when it comes to the frames itself, you can purchase either these type of designs or you can get a much rounder version depending on what you like for the sunglasses. And in addition to design, you get different types of frames. So if you don't like the black color, you can get a different color that's purely based on how you plan on using the sunglasses. And when it comes to the entire purpose of sound, of course, they've got this separate app called Bose Connect, which you can download, and it's used for anything related from updates to playing music or anything. So all you have to do is just choose any song that you want to play, and of course, you can increase volume and decrease volume in any sort. So if you can hear, the music's pretty clear. It's right now on full volume, so it's pretty easy to hear. But when you're in a closed room and when you're outside, you really can't hear anything. And if you make it a normal volume, which you'll probably be listening to when you're with the sunglasses, it's pretty hard to hear much unless you're obviously wearing them. So outsiders can't hear anything when it comes to others being able to listen to what you're listening to. And in addition to this, when you're wearing these sunglasses, they've got a quick control button for switching on and switching off. So if you just press that, it turns off automatically the music. You double tap, it changes song. If you have an iPhone with Siri or anything, you just have to long press for activation of that. And something that's really cool in what I've seen is that if you long press this button and you shift to the right, it automatically increases volume. So that's something that's really cool because if you're wearing this and you just press and hold that button and move your head to the left, it decreases volume, and if you press and hold your head to the right, it increases volume. So you can sort of use your body to control the volume of the sound playing rather than having to take out your phone each and every time. And another thing that I really like about this is the fact that the battery life is really great and the fact that no one else can hear what you're listening to. So supposing you're out in public places, there's definitely no one's going to be able to listen to what you're doing and what you're saying, what's going on in your sunglasses. But in addition to this, even if you're in a closed place like an elevator or something and your music's not that too loud, it's hard for anyone else to hear what you're playing. So that's something that's really great because if many people think that, if their sunglasses, they're playing them with some sort of speakers and everyone can hear what you're listening to, but no, it's only you and you're controlling what you're listening to. Having said that, something that I really don't like is the fact that these are not replacements for AirPods or earphones. So these are not cheap by any definition, but if you want to purchase them, you also have to have earphones or AirPods or any earbuds in addition to this because they don't really solve the purpose for earphones because you're not having curated music for yourself. It's more for everyone. It's more for outdoor usage when you have surroundings, but you also want to listen to music. In no way is this only way to listen to music. If you're in a room and you just want to stream into music, this is definitely not the solution because that's just not the way these are designed. So something that I would really love to see in the future is if these can be used as earphones, as earbuds. And I think one thing that can be done is if you can have no frames or if you can have transparent frames which will allow one to use them anywhere. Supposing you're going out and you can't wear sunglasses if you're going to a restaurant, right? But if you could have transparent, or you could just remove those lenses and use them plainly, I think everyone could just wear them anywhere and they could really be much more useful, and that's something that they can definitely do. So the way you switch this off is you just have to turn it around and the product just automatically shuts off after 2 seconds. All you have to do is just flip sunglasses and they automatically turn off. thank you. I hope you enjoyed this introduction and this unboxing of these sunglasses, and I hope they provided enough information for you